nature walk in Niagara Falls that Veronica has never been on. This is so everybody can see it. And my YouTube subscribers. And it begins. Roughly around 5 years ago, me and Shadow walked down this trail for the last time. Just an idea so you see how far I've walked already. It's crazy. If you take this trail all the way, it takes you right to underneath the Spanish Arrow car. Still hard to think at this time in my life. Shadow was 10 years old and she would walk up and down these stairs like a puppy. Mrs. Shadow. Just to give you an idea, we were way up there not that long ago. And we're going all the way down there. Look at the nature here. Just take a moment to take that in, how much have we walked already. It's quite amazing. I am not sure if you can hear this in the video yet, but you can hear the water at the basin of the rapids. We're going to be approaching close to what is called Class 6 rapids, which are the most dangerous rapids in the world. We'll get you nice up and close so you can see everything. We are almost there already. This seems to be a lot shorter than I remember doing it before.
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
Good fishing?
Yeah.
Here it looks like we have an option. We can go up the high route, or let's take the stairs down that are made of rocks. High rocks. I'm going rocks. Might be slippery and wet, but you know what? It's more fun. One thing you need to remember when taking a trail walk like this is just take your time. Nobody's rushing you. Better to take your time and then to slip on a rock and seriously injure yourself. Because again, there's no cell phone service down here, so it'd be hard to call for help. We are at the basin of the river. A couple minutes you'll actually see the water. I can hear and smell it, but can't see it just yet. But we're almost there. And from here it looks like the water is out. Like the oh, maybe not. I take that back. water here, they claim to be over 180 feet deep in the center. You have the water that comes down this way here, and it has to come down here. And that's what makes a whirlpool down here, because it has to go that way. So it's like changing direction. And because of that, it keeps digging the ground here really deep every day. More and more. The falls used to be back here about 10,000 years ago. Pretty crazy how erosion works. When you take the jet boat, it comes down here and does a 360 about right there. And it gets up close to those rapids where they say they can't go through because it's a class 6 rapid. So they just drive up close so you can see it, and then they back up, turn around, go back that way, which is called Devil's Hole. Such a beautiful day it turned out to be, I must say. That is the end of this excursion of adventure for now. I hope you all enjoyed going for a little walk with Chris. And until next time, wear your track shoes, off-road shoes. Take care. Peace out.